good, everybody? Coming back at y'all with another video. It's been a week since my last upload or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna be working on the Tacoma today for the weekly video, weekly vlog, whatever. We taking the window sills. They got, I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm gonna show y'all. Right here on the Tacoma, they got these little things on the windowsill, little black shit. So if you take these off, apparently it's chrome behind these. So yeah, we can taking those off. I didn't even know it was chrome. I thought you had to put a piece on here, but apparently they come chrome from the factory. So last night we were messing with it, whatever, and my fucking buddy can't leave my truck alone. Motherfucker has to break something on it. So yeah, he peeled that off because it's peeling back a little bit. So this one's already coming off a little bit. See, it's like all dry rotted and shit. See, I might be able to just rip the motherfucker off, but I got a heat gun, so if it don't want to like come off from just being dry rotted and peeling, I'm gonna use the heat gun, and we're just gonna heat it up, and hopefully it comes off. So yeah, that's what would be video on this week for the weekly vlog. But Tacoma's still sitting good. I did order some new A-arms. I'm gonna be doing some special shit with that, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that video, because we're gonna make this bitch big, like big. This is already a 6-inch lift and we're sitting at 11, so y'all know this go thing will be up in the air, like for real. Like, it's already tall for a 6-inch lift, but yeah, we're gonna be making her a hell of a lot bigger, hopefully. I got the A-arms coming, got a lot of other shit that gotta go into it, but yeah, I guess we'll get into this video of taking these fucking window seals off and making them chrome. Hopefully it goes good. But yeah, we'll cut right into that. So peace. So I'm just gonna try to heat this up with the heat gun and see what happens. See if it's easier to get off. You know. I mean, it's already dry rotting to come off. So, but I'm hoping if I add a little bit of heat to it, it should just come off easier. I'm hoping. Yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Let me see. Turn the motherfucker off. Let's see. Oh yeah, it should come off like nothing. I'm gonna have to cut the. I think I'm gonna have to cut the bottom of it out, but the top peels off pretty easy. I think it's wrapped under here, like at the bottom. Pretty sure. I'm gonna have to clean it, obviously, but y'all can see it's chrome. I think it's gonna go with the flow a lot better, you know. But I never really did it because I didn't know how it was gonna look, and I didn't even know it was chrome on there, like I said. But can't really go back black now unless I wrap it, basically like this is. But yeah, I'm gonna heat it up some more, and then I'm gonna cut back to when one side is done, and then basically I'll just repeat it to all the other sides. So yeah, catch y'all whenever I get this shit off. Got most of it off, a little piece. Kind of gotta get the habit. Once you get the rhythm of it, it goes pretty good. It's tucked. The thing is that it's tucked. The rubber's tucked behind this chrome. Like, it's wrapped completely. Got a little lip on behind it, so you have to get that little lip or it just tears. But I want to get it all out. It's kind of hard. It's freaking hot as shit. Like a heat gun. God damn, it's hot. So you gotta get like this little, see how I got that little lip right there? Don't mind my hands, guys. It's cold outside, so my hands are ashy, but you can see right there, you gotta get that lip from behind it. And at the bottom too. Alright guys, so we got the driver's side front door pretty much off all the way. I am gonna say the heat gun does help a lot. So if you're trying to do this, do it with the heat gun for sure. Use the heat gun. And I did use some needle nose pliers to help pull it off, so I'm not burning my fingers the whole time. But as y'all can see, got most of it off. I still need to clean it, obviously, because I just took it off. But I still got like a little bit right here. It's kind of hard to get that part off. As you can see, this is what the back looks like. I'm gonna show you the other side too. Still got the little piece right here to take off. But yeah, this is what this side looks like. I still gotta do the back, obviously. But back looks like that. I mean, that side looks like that, and this is what it looks like black. I kind of like it black. I don't know, but kind of didn't have an option because it's already cracking on that side. Because someone decided to peel it off. Fucking retard. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. I like it. It looks pretty clean. But I'm gonna get it all this side done for y'all, so y'all can see what it actually looks like. But yeah, I'll cut back to y'all when I'll get that back part off. So all right guys, so as you can see, we're a little dirty here, but the heat gun was not working on these because they're like melted on there like bad, because I guess, I don't know, from the sun baking it. So we're using a eraser wheel now. So we're gonna try to eraser wheel it off and see how that goes. As I can see, this is what's happening. See, it did not want to come off. I don't know, it's just baked on there. So we're gonna use the heat gun and the eraser wheel and see how that goes. So I'll catch back up to y'all whenever I try to get it off. So peace. All right guys, as you can see, we got a lot of eraser wheel on us, but got most of it off. As y'all can see, let me put this on. Got most of it off. Still got to do a lot. I mean, it's a lot harder with the eraser wheel because it's hard to fit like all right here in this little piece. But I got most of it off. Still need to do a little bit right here. But yeah, if your shit is baked on there, you are definitely gonna have to use the eraser wheel, because there's no way I was peeling that shit off, man. No way. I'll give y'all a little sneak peek of what it's gonna look like. Looks pretty good. I mean, I kind of liked it black, to be honest, but it's gonna play along with it pretty good. I might take these window things off. I took them off, but I liked it with it on better, with them on, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to see. I don't think it looks bad though. Kind of adds like a little extra touch of chrome. But yeah guys, I don't really know how much I'm gonna be able to video of the other side, but I'll definitely video an ending clip of it and show y'all what it looks like for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to it, try to get this shit off, because I have to go to class for work. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get the rest of this shit off, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So peace.